everyone. So Andrew was supposed to be filming and instead he left it on camera mode, not filming mode. I'm gonna get fancy here and use a piping bag, which I've never done before, so it might turn out very bad.
So, last time I tried to make some Portuguese custard tarts, known as pastel de nata. So, I'm grabbing one of my favorite biscuits I used to have as a kid called Linguas de Veado, which literally means deer tongue. So, yeah.
No, I'm not eating butter with sugar. That's not my lunch or my dinner, okay? Chill out. That is not a very appropriate sound.
Oh no.
You can see when Andrew comes to help, he doesn't help much, does he?
That's really mean. Should there be lots of air bubbles in it?
Well, it's supposed to be a solid line, and it's already spreading to the sides. So at this point, I'm just hoping for the best. Those look horrible.
That one's the only one that looks good out of all of them.
The top batter all has joined together.
Ahoy!
That's not good!
What? Hey!
No, Andrew, that's not good.
I'll show you something that's not good. I think Mum would kill me if she saw me doing this.
She is like, oh, it's gonna work. And all you have to do is follow my recipe. I followed her freaking recipe. The top one's flat now, but like all of it got together before it even went in the oven. The bottom, boy.
I'm a good boy!
So these ones are way too flat to be considered.
Oh no!
They all just got together.
Actually having this one.
And they are very crispy.